Okay, you guys asked for it. My Trump bit in the Trump wig. And if you had to rank from least funniest to funniest assassinations on presidents, easy number one, Trump. And I'm going to do it with the Trump wig. He'd be talking crap at one of his rallies. My opponent's gay. I walked in on him, I saw him, I said, wow, this guy's gay. And then the shooter will be coming down. Sit down, you're gay. You know, and then he get hit and he make a funny noise, pow, you know, and fall. I mean, I love Trump. I love Trump, really. He's amazing, he really is. He's really amazing. He disrupt the market with his style. I really love Trump.